इंटरव्हेन्शन घातला ह्या केसीन तुमचें कितें आहा?
See, I have intervention immediately after the indefinite fast has ended. I had issued notice to Panchayat as well as the other authorities, and vigilance inquiry has also been initiated against the authorities. म्हणजे त्यांनी process start केला, which I am following up. Now, in view of that notice, आमकां पंचायतीन every stage notify केल्ले की हे stages आसा म्हणून. For in the appeal, we were not made parties to keep an eye on the entire matter and to see that the structure gets demolished. I filed intervention application, and today we assisted Panchayat as well as the court in the matter. So basically, since government was also involved in this fraud, in granting this permission by fraud, we do not trust anybody, and that is why, in fact, even the NGOs which have been fighting, that is Save Old Goa Front, some of the other volunteers, and we are going to be part of the petition to see that the matter comes to a logical conclusion, and that ends with the demolition of the offending structure, because they are trying to say a lot of things that paise invest kela illegal karon paise invest kela म्हणून that doesn't need protection for sure.
But don't you think that too many interventions will
Doesn't
mitigate
matter.
the issue?
Doesn't matter. It's not. Everybody is competent enough to defend the actions of demolition, and I think more the legal minds, more the documents produced by various people, it will only help the authority to decide the matter righteously. Because initially Panchayatin needs permission dille, as Panchayat is defend the demolition order, but how far they will do it, we do not know. And I think people of Goa had lost faith in the government machinery and the authorities, which that is why the reason why I think most of the people who have been involved in the agitation have decided that they will come on board in the matter. I think it's something that will assist the court.
But are you all going to work together regarding
Of
this
course,
case?
yes.
All of the
All of us are going to work together. You must have seen the cooperation when it came to this matter being defended, or in the sense that to go ahead with the demolition order. I think it's a collective effort. It cannot be one individual's effort. It is a collective effort. It's in the interest of Goa, Goan heritage, sanctity of old Goa, and I think all the people who have filed intervention application have one single point of interest, that is to save environment, to save heritage, to save old Goa, and to save such kind of illegalities in Goa. So maka dista it's a matter of Goans pride today. Goans the way authorities had played fraud on Goans. I think it's something that needs to be dealt with, and every Goan has a right to come and intervene in the matter.